I'm Sienna Bose. Welcome to my channel, Learning Balanced Life. Today we are going to talk about algebra, binomials, and trinomials. Today's sum is, if a squared plus 1 by a squared equal to 14, find a cubed plus 1 by a cubed. Let's see what we can do. Firstly, I have to say we need to refer a formula. You say a squared plus 1 by a squared is actually a form of a squared plus b squared. A squared plus b squared. And we can express this as the formula a plus b the whole squared minus 2ab. We can also write this as a minus b the whole squared plus 2ab. But we only need this a plus b the whole squared minus 2ab. Now, going back to the sum, equal to 14. We can write 1 by a squared as, or a squared plus 1 by a the whole squared equal to 14. Now, referring the formula, or a plus b here, a is a and b is 1 by a. A plus b, or 1 by a, the whole squared minus 2 into a into 1 by a equal to 14. Canceling the a's, we get 2, and by transposition we get a plus 1 by a, the whole squared, equal to 16. Or, now doing a square root on both sides, we finally can get to a plus 1 by a equal to root over 16, which is plus minus 4. Our first goal is cleared. We got the value of a plus 1 by a equal to plus minus 4. So now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to the rest of the sum. We previously got a plus 1 by a equal to plus minus 4. Now, looking at a cubed plus 1 by a cubed plus 1 by a cubed, we can write this as a cubed plus 1 by a the whole cubed, which is actually a form of a cubed plus b cubed. And again, we now refer a formula over here, which is a plus b the whole cubed minus 3ab into a plus b the whole. A cubed plus b cubed equal to a plus b the whole cubed minus 3ab into a plus b the whole. We now refer this formula now. Then referring the formula, we have a plus 1 by a the whole cubed minus 3 into a into 1 by a, which is the 3ab part, into a plus 1 by a. Oops. Yeah. Canceling the a's, we have a 3, and we now substitute the value of a plus 1 by a, which we had got previously. Plus minus 4 whole cubed minus 3 into, again, plus minus 4. Plus minus 4 whole cubed is nothing but plus minus 64. And doing calculations with separate signs, we can see minus 3 into plus 4 gives us minus 12. Minus 12. And if we do minus 3 into minus 4, we have plus 12. So minus plus 12. Here, the top signs are corresponding to each other and the bottom signs are also corresponding to each other. And by calculation, we finally get 52 or minus 52. And this is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.